This is the team task prioritization template. So what you can do here is create new task. And then what's special for this template is it has checkboxes in which the automation will add a priority based on the two checkboxes, which is the important and urgent. So the matrix is that if you have both checked, it's P1 or priority 1. If we remove the urgent, this will automatically change to P2, which is deep work. If it's urgent, it will change to delegate, which is P3. And then if both are unchecked, it will be prioritized as low. And then this will be in this view. As you can see, these are all of the items. Let's say do weekly report so that it has a name. You can see the priority on this section by priority so that you would know how many P1s you have, how many P2s you have and all. Now let me go back to the task section. You have today's view in which you will see everything that needs to be done today. And then this should be updated based on the importance or the priority rather. So you would see for today you have two P1s, P2 and P3. You would be able to see on another view, it's called by assignee, the things that are assigned and the ones that doesn't have an assignment. So let me add my name here and it will go to my name section or my grouping. And then if I want to see only my task, you would go to this tab and I would see everything that is assigned to me. Let me see if I can add new sorting here aside from the status, which is the date. And then let's add the priority as well. So that for August 9, I have one P2, one P3, and for August 10, it's still sorted nicely. If I do want to see everything that is complete, we go to this page, this tab rather. And if I want to see everything but group by status, it's here. So I have one complete, 8 not started. If I change this to in progress, I would see the in progress count as well. Now in the priority, that is also change. For example, you can also change from here. So let's say do weekly report. I change it to P1. This change in the priority will activate the automation and will check the important and urgent checkbox based on what you select in the priority. So it works both ways. Down below you have a calendar in which you can schedule. This is also sorted by priority so that you would see on top first the things that you need to do now, deep work and delegate and so on. If you have an unscheduled task, which is for example this due weekly report, it's going to be displayed by priority as well, but everything that doesn't have a date will be on this section. And the purpose of this is that you can drag from this section, the unscheduled one, to your calendar. Let's do month. So for example, the weekly report I want to do every Monday. So I will drag to August 11, which is the next Monday. This is the database is here. If you want to edit any properties, going to be here. You have timeline view and all view. If you need help in anything, you can email me at letstalk@sevasteel.com.